ज्योतिष के क्षेत्र में अपनी सफलता का परचम लहरा चुके ज्योतिष गुरु श्री के.एन. राव के हाथों मेडल से सम्मानित, अपनी सटीक भविष्यवाणी के लिए सुप्रसिद्ध और ज्योतिष अलंकार एवं ज्योतिष आचार्य अवार्ड से सम्मानित ज्योतिष आचार्य रमन जी।
Hello friends, this is Acharya Raman, Vedic astrologer since last 20 years. Today we'll do monthly horoscope for August 2021, and to start with, we'll take natives with Aries sign. And to know what is coming in August for these people with respect to their career, love and relationship, finance and health. And at the end we'll do remedies to overcome these problems. So let us start friend, and if you like my video then please do comment on it, share it, like it and subscribe to it. So let us start friend, monthly horoscope August 2021, Aries sign. As you can see the transit chart of August 2021, the first house will always remain where ascendant is written. The number written here are the signs or Rashi. But the first house always remain where ascendant is written. 1 number stand for Aries, 2 number for Taurus, 3 for Gemini, Cancer, Leo and so on. But the first house where ascendant is written. As you can see in this transit chart of August 2021, Rahu is placed in second house in Taurus Rashi or Taurus sign, Jupiter in 11th house in Aquarius sign, Sun and Mercury in Cancer sign in 4th house, and Venus and Mars in Leo together in 5th house. Saturn placed in 10th house in Capricorn, Ketu in Scorpio in 8th house and Jupiter in Aquarius in 11th house. So let us start with the career. The planet Saturn is present in the 10th house of Capricorn, which represents your profession and career. The transit of Saturn suggests that you will have to work extremely hard. Also for the first 2 weeks, Sun and Mercury together in the 4th house will aspect the 10th house, and due to this Sun-Saturn opposition, relationship with your seniors may not be cordial. But since Mercury and Sun present together making Buddha Aditya Yoga, you may overcome these problems through your intelligence. But after 2 weeks, when Sun will transit to the 5th house in Leo sign, then relationship with your seniors will start improving. So for the first 2 weeks, the environment will be quite volatile with no support from seniors or colleagues. The time is quite ripe from business point of view, as 7th Lord Venus is placed in the 5th house with ascendant Lord Mars. So you will do business aggressively and try to expand it due to the aspect of Jupiter from 11th house. There are many chances of making gains or profits. But after 10th of August, when 7th Lord Venus will move to the next sign, which is Virgo sign, and which is also the debilitated sign of Venus, then you should be very careful, especially those who are having female partners and also the persons who are doing foreign business deals. So they should be careful after 10th of August when Venus will move on to the debilitated sign. Now regarding the finance point of view, the planetary positions indicate this month will remain generally favorable from financial point of view. But due to the placement of Rahu in the second house of finance, your savings may get awry due to some sudden expenditure. But since Jupiter is present in your 11th house of profits and gains, your income will increase and some extra source of earning will also be there. Persons who are into job may get some incentives for your performance. Meanwhile, those who are into business will also come into contact of new person, as this posture of Rahu is in benefic trine house, that is 5th house with Mars, which is ascendant lord or 8th lord as well. Therefore, some new opportunities suddenly which will give you good amount of profit for businessmen. Business person, traders and exporters they will do good and will earn profits from their business activities. Planetary positions are auspicious for starting a new business activities. But after 10th of August, the dispositor of second house, which would be Venus, will get debilitated in sign of Virgo, which may force some of you to take some loans and may put you under debt. But however, due to aspect of Jupiter in 11th house or due to presence of Jupiter in 11th house, some gains may continue. Overall speaking, your bank balance will increase up till 10th of August, but after 10th of August, be careful during the month of August, especially while taking loans. Now regarding love and relationship, for love and relationship, Mars and Venus are extremely favorable. The presence of Mars and Venus in the 5th house will keep you joyful and happy. You will get into love relationships during the first 10 days of the month. If you are already in a relationship, love will be very much passionate due to Mars and Venus together in 5th house. Also, Jupiter is aspecting the 5th house from 11th house, which is very favorable for your love life. You will remain attracted to each other and some of you in relationship may also get married. After the 10th of August, Venus will move into your 6th house and will get debilitated, because of which there might be clash between the two of you, as Sun will also enter the 5th sign of Leo after 15th August or after 2 weeks, due to which there may be clash of egos between the two. So you should remain very careful, as breakup is most likely to follow during this time. The month of August is going to be good for married people as well. The first 10 days of the month may be good. After that, due to Venus transiting into the 6th house and getting debilitated, avoid unwanted clashes with your spouse. Now regarding the health point of view, this month will remain ordinary in terms of health. There may also be some problem in chest or lungs due to Saturn aspecting the 4th house and in opposition with Sun for the first 2 weeks of August. Also, since Ketu is placed in Scorpio sign in the 8th house and being aspected by Mars from the 5th house, due to which you can also suffer from blood related problems. And due to this placement of Mars in the 5th house, there could also be some stomach disease or some stomach problems are possible. There will be no major ailments, but you should still pay enough attention to your diet and exercises. Chronic disease will be under control, and for good health, you should remain positive and cheerful. The remedies would be for health and job problems, do the mantras for Ascendant Lord Mars. For marriage and love related problem, do mantra for Venus and do the Jupiter mantra for money or money related problems. Hope friend you like my video, and if you did like it, then please do comment on it, share it, and also please subscribe to my channel. And if you need any consultation from me, you can WhatsApp me on 9911351351 or you can log on to www.astrologerraman.com. Thank you friends.
अगर आप भी समस्याओं से परेशान हैं और समाधान पाकर अपने जीवन को सुखमय बनाना चाहते हैं, तो जाने माने ज्योतिषाचार्य आचार्य रमन जी से मिलकर इन सभी समस्याओं का समाधान प्राप्त करें। 3341 सेक्टर 23 हुड्डा, गुड़गांव, हरियाणा 122001। हमारे कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर्स हैं 09911 351 351, 08130 201 201। हमारी वेबसाइट है www.theindianastrologer.com।